I think I've tapped into my retirement plans a little early. This is a food that I bought that my spoiled turtles don't like. So now we are giving the wild ones, who are a little more grateful, a treat.
Love it. Turtle. The little one again?
Yeah, little Western painted. Here we have a little Western painted. You can see the misaligned scoots on the carapace. Flip them over. That nice red belly in the pattern. A little too young to tell what it is as for male or female, but vibrant guy.
No. The heck?
Now here we have a larger version of what I caught earlier. A large Western painted turtle, a male. We can tell by the claws and the cloacal vent that I'm currently covering. You can kind of see it there, how it's longer, more away from the base of the shell. But one thing I've noticed with a lot of these Westerns is they have these fangs here. Those two protrusions of the top jaw and the one on the bottom that the other varieties seem to not have. I don't know if it's for catching fish, snails, or what, but definitely can do some damage, catch and hold on to their prey. There we go. An older male here. Pretty cool. As they get older, they start to lose their colors, but a nice, pretty guy. See you later, buddy.